Hi and welcome to Real Binary Options Signals. In this video I just want to show you how you can use the binary options trading calculator to track your profits and also to optimize your money management system when you are trading with the real binary options signals. One of the things is also that you can use this calculator to maybe track some of your other trading systems or strategies. So in order to get the download link, you should be our subscribed member. And you can subscribe here, and once you're subscribed and logged in to the website, you will get the download link here under the trading calculator tab. So simply click on this link and the calculator will download. Once you open the file, this is an Excel spreadsheet file, you will get a calculator that looks like this. Now we have included another file which you might find helpful, and this is pre-populated with our trading results for 2015. So this can help you to maybe play around a bit with the investment height per trade, investment and so on, so you can see what kind of results you would be getting. For example, if you would be trading with 7% per trade investment and so on. Also on the right side here you can see you have a chart which shows actually how the account would grow. Now this is using the exponential money management system, which we find to be the best system when trading with binary options, because it will allow you to grow your account ever more faster as your total account balance grows. So more about this you can find in other videos. In this video I just want to show you how to use the calculator. Now, as I said, this is the pre-populated with the results of 2015, just to give you an idea what to expect maybe if you are using different money management options here. But we're going to cover this in this file. So this is the empty calculator that you can start using when you start trading with our signals. For example, you would download this file and you would decide that you would maybe apply low risk money management, which would be maybe 5% per trade investment. So you just enter this value here. Your starting account balance is maybe $1,000, and this is the return rate which you get from the broker when you make a winning trade. So we have set this as the stock pair default return rate, which is 82% on 30 minutes and 60-minute trades. And this is the loss rate. So some brokers will compensate in case of losing trade. Maybe they will give you 10% back or 5% back, depends on the option that you select. So maybe if they give you 5% back on your losing trades, you would enter 95 here. Because this is the percentage that you actually lose. So let's leave it at stock pair default, which is 100%. So it means if you lose a trade, actually you lose 100% of your investment. So how does this work now? Here you can see the return rate. These are the overrides. So it means if you're using another broker which at some point would give you maybe 82 or 85% return, and at another point they would give you maybe 80% or 78%, you can manually change this here, so you'll be able to correctly track all the profitability, all the results. So for example, you get the signal and then you make the first trade. So as we have set here, 5% of total account balance into each trade. This is the per trade investment that you should make into next trade. So this is the suggested amount based on your money management system that you set up here. So if I would select here, maybe I want to invest 10% of my total account balance, it would change to 100. So it means I would have to invest $100 into the next trade. So let's leave it at 5%, for example, or maybe let's set it at 10%, so we will it will be easier to track the numbers here. So okay, so we are making the first trade with 10% of our total account balance, and this is the trade result here. Once the trade is finished, here you select if it was a winning trade or if it was a losing trade. So for example, we made one winning trade, and you can see this is automatically calculated based on the return rate which is 82%. So it means now you have $1,082 on your trading account. And this automatically then suggests the next investment into next trade. So we are sticking with 10% per trade investment. So into next trade we should invest $108. So for example, we're making the next trade with $108 and we make a winning trade, another winning trade. So you select winning trade here, and this is the suggestion for the next trade. And this is your account total here. So for example, the next trade is a loss. And as we make a losing trade, based on the trading system that we use, we do not lower our per trade investment. You can see now our account total is now $1,053 and 10% of the account total is $105. But the suggestion to make is to invest into next trade is 117. So it stays on the highest level here. This is the base of the trading system that we have implemented and we have found that works best with real binary option signal. So you're again investing 117 into the next trade. So here you're choosing, for example, let's make another win. So now we have 1,149. We still didn't break our last highest investment. Now 10% of our account total is 115. Suggestion is to continue with the same system and invest 117. As we make the next winning trade, you can see now total account balance is higher than the last total account, which was 1,170. Now it's 1,245, and this readjusts to 125. So let's just make a few sample trades. And I'm going to show you something else. So this is, for example, a trading sequence. This is the tracking of your account, and you can also get on the bottom here. You get a nice chart where it shows exactly how your account grows based on the numbers up there. So one of the other things is that our trading system uses two-level trades. So it means on one signal, sometimes you will be able to make two trades. This is according to our trading rules, which you can find here under trading instructions. Once you are logged in and once you are a registered member, you get the full trading instructions under this tab. So you'll know that sometimes we use a system where we make two trades based on one signal. It depends if the rules are met. So this is what you are selecting here. For example, that you are making on this signal, you're making a level 2 trade, which is 60-minute expiry. This is all explained under the tab that I told you before. So this would be maybe a loss, and again, level 1 trade, maybe loss, and then a level 2 trade, maybe win. And the system automatically adjusts here the per trade investment based also on the level of the trade. So here, this is where you select level 1 is the first trade, 30-minute expiry trade, and level 2 is the second trade that you enter after 15 minutes. If the first trade is out of the money but the second level trade you enter with 60-minute expiry. So this will be all clear when you see it here under the trading instructions tab on the website. Another thing, as I said, some brokers might not give you constantly the same return rate. So if you're trading maybe with 24 option, usually they lower the return rate after 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. So you might get a lower return rate here. So as you make the next trade, for example, and you are getting the a bit lower return rate on this trade, you simply change this here. You'll get some numbers here, but you manually change here to the percentage that they give you. So maybe they would give you, I don't know, 78%. So you change this and it will automatically calculate all these numbers here based on the return rate that you get. So for example, 78% win and so on. Another thing is that you can also override the height of your investment. So for example, if for any reason you did not follow the suggestions here, which says now for the next trade I should invest 155. If I wouldn't follow this for any reason, I would say, okay, for next trade I will invest 100. So I simply change this, and for example, if this would be a winning trade, I would get 82% return. So these are the manual overrides which you can make. Of course, it is suggested to follow the suggestion that is given in this column, because this is then you are actually following the money management system that you have set for yourself. So I hope this is clear. So another thing, as I mentioned, here you have another chart which is populated with 2015 results, so you can also play around a bit with these return rates and investment types, so you can see what you can expect when you trade with our signals, and it can help you determine what kind of level of risk you are prepared to take according to the potential profitability that the system will give you. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you will find this calculator very useful when trading with real binary option signals. Thank you, and I wish you all best with your trades. Bye bye.